Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, 4-wheel drive. It's got 11-foot nap height service body with a 1015 IMT crane. It has a Miller Trailblazer 302 air pack. That's a welder, air compressor, generator built into one. This truck belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. It's got 357,000 miles on it, but you would never know it by looking at it and driving it. This is a really nice truck, runs out and drives good. I got a Carfax on it with 100 and something service records on it, or service entries. It doesn't really get specific about what's done to it, but just walk around and look at it. Check this out. I'm standing here. All right, 103 service records, one on her truck. $3,100, $6,000, $75,000, $9,000, $17,000, $24,000. I mean, it's just crazy how they keep these things serviced. I'll give that to whoever buys it. You can have the Carfax, but I mean, it's just service after service after service. And I don't have any record of it, but honestly, I would say, I would bet just about anything this truck's had an engine and trans put in it at some point. A lot of people are scared of high mileage trucks. I would buy all high mileage trucks if we could, because everything's already been fixed on them. They've already had the front ends rebuilt. They've already had the differentials replaced. They've had engines put in them. If you buy a truck with 70, 80, 90,000 miles, more than likely it hadn't had that stuff done to it. And we sell those trucks too. A lot of people, you just can't tell them that, but I like high mileage trucks. The truck had several sets of slide out drawers in it. They left the braces, but took the drawers out. I was gonna take the bracing out, and I said, we'll just leave it in there. Somebody don't like it, they can take it out. They may have some drawers they can put in there themselves. Hydraulic outrigger, got a vise on the back. Air hose. Paint's flaked off the back in some spots. You can kind of see some scaly stuff, nothing major. Really good tires all the way around, good years. Welding leads. Fire it up. This is pushed in a little bit. Get that out. Outrigger, down. Crane. Up. Down. Extension out, extension in. Counterclockwise. Clockwise. Around. Went high. Go down. Welder up. Like I said, this also has the air compressor built into it. Back here. Hose is in the back of the truck. $357, $895. Engine hours aren't that bad for the mileage. 10,900. Yeah, not bad. 3,700 idle hours. Not bad at all. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. Go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile right now. If you decide to go that route, just know this, we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going wherever it's going. We'd like to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it as soon as you buy it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, it could take longer. And sometimes I'll post them and they get picked up right away. But just know 3 to 7 days is average. I can't tell you an exact second somebody's going to leave out with it. If you do have to know that, the only way to know that is you got to come pick it up yourself. Which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your personal name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. With all that said, this is a very nice truck for 350,000 miles. Even for 100,000 miles, it's a nice truck. It's got a lot of nice equipment on it. We got it priced right, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.